when an AC guy asks you questions, be 100% honest with them. If you are honest with that technician about anything that you may have done to the system, then it allows them to figure out the problem that much faster. I promise you that, okay? Anyways, go ahead and check out the clip and enjoy, guys.
All right, guys, so right here I already removed the water safety switch and took out the water, and the blower did turn on. And then right here I'm just checking to see if the coil is frozen, and it was not. But we are missing an air filter, so that's not good, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and at least unclog the drain real quick, and you can see all that stuff kind of coming through that clear area there. That definitely has stuff in there. I went ahead and opened the air handler, and I was just cleaning out the entire drain pan. For this process, I usually always use a pump sprayer that has a extended wand on it that is flexible, which makes it super easy to get all the way in there, and you can see how easy it is for me. As I was cleaning out, guys, you see right there on that little corner, I ended up finding a little dead cockroach. I sprayed it, but it didn't move, so it was definitely dead. So I went ahead and had to take that out. Afterwards, I went ahead and put some tablets in the drain pan, and that's what it looks like in the vacuum, guys. It's pretty bad. You can see all those little chunks of slime in there. After clearing that drain line, guys, I went ahead and turned the system to cooling, but only the air handler was coming on. So now we're gonna have to come and investigate here at the condensing unit. And right here, I just took the cover off, and I'm trying to confirm the voltage, and I'm not getting any high voltage to the line side of that breaker. So I went ahead and got to the disconnect and checked the line voltage there, and I wasn't getting any voltage. Okay, so something's definitely going on. I went ahead and checked line 1 and line 2 individually, and it was not showing any voltage at all, guys. So we're gonna have to go to the main breaker to see what's going on.
Either the breaker is tripped and we may have some other issues that we're gonna have to try to figure out, or the homeowner is not being 100% honest with me when they said that they didn't mess with anything at all, okay? So what do you guys think it was? I'll give you a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you said that the customer messed with it, you were right on. All right, so whenever I went into the main electrical panel, I saw that the breaker was in the off position, okay? So typically if we have a short or we had a grounded compressor or something's happening, it's gonna get to the trip position, okay? I've never seen them off. I'll be honest with you. So my thought process, customers not being honest with me. So I just told them that is very odd. So we're gonna have to run a couple more tests, see what's going on, see what could have caused this to have turned off the system, okay? Or to have turned off the breaker. And as I'm explaining that stuff to them, they finally said, actually, I lied. We actually messed with everything. We tried to get it up and running. It was just so hot. We messed with the little float bobber thingy. We messed with the breakers. We turned them on, off. Nothing was working. And that was pretty much it. So I turned it back on and the system turned on. So let's get back to the video.
Okay, right here you can see that the contactor is getting pulled in. So we are getting our 24-volt signal from the air handler. And I'm also confirming right there that we do have our 240 volts, guys. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this stuff back together, and I'm gonna get the disconnect attached, and it should come on. There we go. Everything looks like it's running now. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm just gonna go ahead and test everything out, check all my amp draws, and then I'm just gonna confirm that the system is cooling and draining properly, guys, and that's gonna be it for this one.